Hello students, hope you and your family members are safe at home. My name is Anuradha Pradhan, Science Faculty, Great Mission Public School. So today we are going to start our new chapter number 8, Body Movements. So in this chapter we are going to see the different types of movements. Okay. So suppose you sit still, you have to sit straight without any movement. Okay. So when you sit straight, what did you feel? Have you seen any kind of movement? Yes, our eye blinks. Okay, our eye blinks when we are sitting straight without any movement. You can see our eyes are blinking. Okay, then we are breathing. Okay, suppose you are sitting straight without any movement, you will see we are breathing. Our eye is blinking, we are breathing. Okay, so when we sit straight, our eye blinks and we breathe. So like that there are different types of movements in our body. Suppose when you hold pen or pencil and start writing, okay, when we are writing, can you notice something? Can you notice which part of your body is moving? Okay, which part is moving? So we move our hand for writing. Okay, suppose you are observing, looking here, right, left, and looking at towards your friend. Okay, so which part of your body is moving now? Your upper portion, okay, your neck or your head is moving. Your head is moving to look around. Okay, suppose you stand and walk. When we are walking, what happens? Which part of our body is moving? Our legs are moving when we walk, when we jump, when we skip, running, skipping, playing, all this movement. In this movement we use our legs to move. Okay, so today we will see table 8.1. okay, so how does the animal, different types of insects or animals, how do they move? So for that you have to take out your book and open exercise table number 8.1. okay, in that we will discuss the different types of animals. For example, some insects, they crawl. Snake, what is the movement of the snake? Some, how they move this slither. Okay, then birds fly. Okay, so there are different types of movements. How cows, what do they do? How the body movement take place? How do they move? Okay, they walk. So there are different movements of the animals. So let us check in the table 8.1. So for that you have to open your book and find out the animal movement. So you have to open page number 66. Okay, and here there is a table 8.1. How do animal move from place to place? So we will discuss this and you will go on writing the answers for this table. Okay, now below here some options are given, that is walk, you know what is walking, chalna, run, okay, then fly, jump, creep. What is the meaning of creep? Moving slowly. Okay, slowly the animal is moving, it is called creeping. Okay, then crawl means dragging the body, रेंगते हुए. Okay, dragging the bodies, they are called crawl. And slither. Okay, slither, what is the meaning? Twisting, अपने बॉडी को मोड़ते हुए जाना, that is called slither. Okay, twisting and oscillating motion, बॉडी को मोड़ते हुए आगे बढ़ना, that is called slither. And swim. Okay, so there are a few ways in which animal move. So from that you have to fill this table 8.1. okay, you can see that. So first one is our cow. So first one is our cow. So cow moves with legs. So body part used for moving from place to place. Which part is used? Leg is used. How do the animal move? The animal walk. Okay. Then second is humans. Which part they move? Legs. Then how does the animal move? How we are moving? Walking and running. Walk and run, both we can do, walk and run. Then snake, whole body. Okay, snake use its whole body to move. Then The movement is slither. मैंने slither बोला था. Dragging, oscillating and twisting. ठीक है, oscillating and twisting. सांप अपनी बॉडी को ट्विस्ट करते हुए आगे बढ़ते हैं. ओके. Then bird. So birds have which part they move? Wings. Then how do they move? They fly. Birds mostly fly. Okay, you write fly. You don't write walk. Then insect. For insect, wings are there. Wings are there, or seti means they are having so many small legs also. Okay, so here you have to write fly, walk, creep, crawl. Okay, insects ये सारी करते हैं. क्या क्या है? Fly, walk, creep, crawl. Okay, then next is our fish. So fish, how it moves? Which part moves? Fins. Okay, its fins moves. So how do this animal move? They swim. Okay, I hope you have completed the table. Then tomorrow we will move to the next topic. Thank you and have a nice day.